In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build complete ATM strategies for NinjaTrader. By the end, you'll have a saved ATM strategy template with your order quantity, stop loss, profit targets, optional auto trail, and multiple targets configured and ready to select from the ATM strategy dropdown. First, access the menu. Open a chart or the Super DOM. On the control bar, find the ATM strategy dropdown. Click it, then select Custom. This opens the parameters window where you'll set up everything for the strategy. Now define the order quantity. In the order quantity field, enter the total number of contracts you want this trade to use. This number represents the entire position size the ATM strategy will manage. Next, configure the parameters. Set the parameter type to ticks. A tick is the minimum price movement of the instrument, and using ticks keeps your stop loss and targets consistent across different markets. With ticks selected, set your stop loss. In the SL field, type the number of ticks you want your stop to sit away from the entry price. Positive values here will automatically place the stop below your entry on long positions and above your entry on short positions. Then set your profit target. In the PT field, type the number of ticks for the take profit target. If you don't want a target for this line, set the PT to 0 to skip a target. This simply means no limit order will be placed for that line. Now add multiple targets. Click the Add button to create another target row. For example, set target 1 to 10 ticks for a smaller initial target, and set target 2 to 20 ticks for a farther target. You can repeat Add to build as many targets as your plan requires. Adjust each target's PT in ticks to match your strategy. If you want to skip a particular target, set its PT to 0. As you make changes, watch the fields update so you can confirm each target is configured exactly as intended before saving. Set Auto Trail if you want the stop to move automatically. Click the Stop Strategy setting to open the Auto Trail options. Here you can configure the stop to move to break even after a certain number of ticks in your favor, or to trail price as it advances. This is optional. If you enable Auto Trail, enter values that match your plan so the stop behavior is predictable. If you leave Auto Trail off, your stop will remain fixed at the number of ticks you set earlier. Making changes here only defines the behavior. It won't affect any live orders until you actually place a trade using this ATM strategy. Once that's done, save it as a template. Click Save as Template. Type a clear name for your strategy so you can recognize it in the list later, then click Save. Your saved ATM strategy will now appear in the ATM strategy dropdown on your chart and Super DOM. From here, when you place an order and select this template, NinjaTrader will automatically apply your order quantity, stop loss and ticks, profit target ticks for each target, and any auto trail rules you set. Before you close the window, take a final look over the quantity, parameter type, stop loss, profit targets, and any auto trail settings to make sure they match your plan. Confirm that each target shows the correct PT in ticks and that any targets you don't want are set to 0. This quick review helps prevent mistakes later. At this point, your complete NinjaTrader ATM strategy is built, saved as a template, and ready to use from the ATM strategy dropdown. When you select it for a trade, it will manage your stops and targets exactly as configured. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.